There we go, dear viewers. Happy Thursday to you, dear viewers. So here I am at Camp Gospel here, Thursday afternoon, and I actually fixed my stove. I repaired it. It's kind of loose. I'll show you. My stove was kind of loose here. Let me move my chair and I can show you. Chair here so I can show you. So this here, my stove was kind of loose here. It had a lot of play right here. Like when I had a pot on here, it was very loose, yeah. So I tightened it all down. I had to take all this off here. I had to take this off, the generator, all this inside here. There's like these plates here where the fire comes out. You know, like when the stove is operating. Then I had to take these pieces off here. These here. And I had and I believe I had to, yeah, I had to take this off too. Yeah, this, hold this in here. This here where my finger is, so and take that off. And this plate here, there's a bolt down here. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see the bolt. You can see it, barely see it. So I had to do is take a wrench and just torque it, not just slightly, just had to snug it up. It was loose, so it had play in it. So this was like, it was real loose here. So when I had a pot or something, it was just a lot of wobbling and all that. It's a lot better now. So I got my little burner things back on best I can, as even as I can. Try to get center best I can. So I did a pretty good job. So I lit it up and made sure everything worked. I reconnected it. So this little nut here for the generator here, this nut, right here, this nut here. It's a 12 millimeter. Wrench I had was 11 millimeters, so I got it on, but it's very tight. But it's actually a 12 millimeter nut here. To get a box end wrench like at Harbor Freight Tools, get a nut to this. I need a wrench for my nut here for the future. So you got a bunch of little screws in here that hold these pieces on. So little Phillip heads. So it looks like it's tight. I think it was just from use, just using it. Heavy pots and pans on here. You know, it's just one bolt, one little nut, like a bolt type screw bolt that kind of connects everything together. So it's just a backpacking stove, and I'm really making the most of this little stove here. So I'm learning about fixing stuff. Yeah. So I had this stove. It looks old now because it's been used. You know, I've been using it. When I first got it, it was all shiny and clean looking. Now it looks kind of dingy again. I can't help it though. It's just the fire and the water, the moisture. Took a couple spills when I was making tea masala, but it's okay. It's fixed. So I want to praise the Lord for that. So let's see if we can move the stove. I'm just sitting here. If I'm in the tent too much, I feel like I'm in prison. Even though it's a comfortable tent, and it protects me from these mosquitoes that really bite me. But I can't. I just felt too cooped up. So I want to go out today, but I was thinking they called for rain and thunderstorms today, so I didn't want to really get rain done. So this is it here, dear viewers. So God bless. Big hello to the wife, and I see you in the next clip. All right, bye-bye.